Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Marcus by Goldman Sachs using online transfers. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Marcus by Goldman Sachs website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, locate the transfers option in the main menu. Click on transfers to open the transfer options. Select withdraw from the list of available transfer options. Choose the bank account you wish to withdraw to. Enter the amount you want to transfer from your Marcus account. Review the details of your withdrawal, ensuring everything is accurate. Click on Continue to proceed with the withdrawal. You may be prompted to confirm your identity through two-factor authentication. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. After verification, click on Confirm Withdrawal to finalize your transaction. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request is being processed. Check your email for a transaction confirmation from Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Allow a few business days for the funds to appear in your linked bank account. If you encounter any issues, visit the Marcus Help Center for assistance. Your withdrawal process is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.